Small and medium businesses across Australia are entering a new digital era, shaped by smarter insights, tighter security, practical AI, and a growing hunger for reliable data. Whether in aged care, mining services, property and construction, logistics, healthcare, manufacturing, or local councils, the message is consistent. Data is now the oxygen of business, yet most SMBs still struggle to breathe properly. We analyzed 20 data and analytics priorities driving Australia's SMB sector in 2025, and here is what we found. These are the areas SMBs care about most, scored on a 10-point importance scale. First, data quality management, scoring 7.9. SMBs want clean, accurate, trustworthy data because bad data leads to bad decisions. Major challenges include duplicates, inconsistent financials, missing fields, and conflicting data across various systems. Second, data security and privacy, also scoring 7.9. Cybercrime in Australia hit record highs in 2024 to 2025. SMBs urgently need access control, multi-factor authentication, secure cloud storage, automated backups, and compliance with APP and notifiable data breach regulations. Third, data-driven culture, scoring 7.3. SMBs want teams that use data, not just collect it. Dashboards replace gut feeling, and meetings shift from opinion to insights. Fourth, data and AI governance, scoring 6.9. Governance ensures data is structured, documented, and controlled. It also ensures data is used responsibly, especially with AI. Fifth, data literacy, scoring 6.7. SMBs want staff who understand KPIs, dashboards, insights, and variance drivers. This lifts decision-making across the business. Next, we look at medium priorities, which are important but not urgent. Self-service analytics, scoring 6.6, focuses on Power BI or Looker dashboards that don't need IT every time. AI and ML analytics, scoring 6.5, shows high interest but faces skills shortages, cost concerns, and unclear ROI. Data warehouse modernization, scoring 6.4, involves cloud-first platforms like Azure, Snowflake, and BigQuery. Citizen Data Prep, scoring 6.1, utilizes tools like Power Query for business users. Data catalogs, scoring 5.9, are useful but not yet mainstream for SMBs. Finally, lower priorities are future-focused, mattering only after foundational work is done. Cloud analytics, decision automation, Gen AI, embedded analytics, and real-time streaming rank lower for most SMBs. So, what does this mean for Australian SMBs? First, fix the basics. Clean data, secure systems, solid reporting, and trained staff. Second, don't jump into AI with messy data, as AI requires trustable, high-quality information. Third, build a simple and scalable foundation. Power BI plus Azure SQL or Snowflake Starter is enough for 80% of SMBs. Fourth, start governance early to save huge rework later. Fifth, gradually introduce predictive analytics, moving from dashboards to automation, then AI, and finally, optimization. Across industries, the same frustrations appear again and again. Many Australian SMBs face common pain points around data quality, security, and usability. Despite increased digital adoption, 50% of small businesses lack fundamental digital skills, hindering efficiency. AI adoption is projected to surge, but integration uncertainty and privacy concerns remain barriers. Cybersecurity threats are increasing, disproportionately affecting smaller organizations, with significant financial and operational consequences. Digital transformation is a top priority, focusing on customer outcomes, cloud readiness, and data literacy. However, less than half of Australian organizations have a formal data governance framework, critical for managing data effectively. Embracing these insights will empower Australian SMBs to thrive in the evolving digital economy.